Okay, so today I'm heading out to Warrenville, Illinois. I'm going to be doing a video with Airhart from Airhart Construction. Going to be visiting his Stafford Place community, and what we're going to tour there is these cottage style row homes. They have a new model there with a lot of new features, including a rooftop terrace. I'm excited to see that. But I gotta tell you, these homes, they are single family homes, but they live more like a townhome, meaning you don't have that shared wall, so you get that privacy you're looking for, but it's got low maintenance living. So you don't have to take care of the lawn, snow removal, and all that stuff. It makes life a whole lot easier. Now the location in Warrenville is prime. You're about 5 minutes from the expressway, you're close to the metro, but what you're surrounded with is forest preserves and bike paths. So if you're an outdoor enthusiast, this is a great spot. So on my way here, I told everybody about this community, but can you tell them about the home we're going to be touring today?
Yeah, it's great to have you out here again, Sean. Obviously, we had toured our other model the last time you were here, and that phase is sold out. And so you're literally one of the first people in our brand new model here. This house, it's about 2,000 square feet. It's actually on 4 levels, believe it or not. Really inventive spaces here. I think you're going to love the space that we end up on in the roof terrace there, which quite honestly is a great place to end the day.
Okay, you said 2,000 square feet. How many bedrooms in here? So
this one we have 2 bedrooms in. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. There is an optional for a 3rd bedroom.
Okay, well let's go check it all out.
As you're designing a home, you want to have an entrance area, greeting, and it doesn't need to be overly formal, but create a little bit of separation. I think this design really does that well, where people can walk into the home from the front door. They're not immediately into living space. You know, we've got a foyer closet. The other thing I like about this foyer is we're able to tuck the bathroom around the corner, and you'll see some cool trim details in the bathroom.
And then we open right up to the great room immediately here in the dining area.
Yeah, obviously in a house like this, it's a very open concept, but within an open concept, I always think it's important to design unique spaces. And so actually within this floor area, we actually have 5 unique spaces. We're standing in now is the kind of the great room entry area here. Great seating area, nice place to just kind of cozy in, read a book or whatever. And the nice thing is it flows right into our dining area. The dining area we're showing with 4 seats, but the table can be expanded easily, and you can get 6 or 8 seats around a table like that, which is really important. Primarily you're using, 4 chairs, but to have that ability to expand is important. The kitchen really is a great hub of activity here, and we've done a couple of really neat things in this kitchen, I think. Trends are always changing, always updating, and one of the things that I love is we've got our GE Cafe appliances in here with a white finish with the gold trim, and as a part of that, as we were customizing the kitchen, we said, let's raise the cabinets all the way to the ceiling, so we've got wonderful upper cabinets. In addition to that, just something fun, we said, let's make the island really pop. And so we chose a blue color for the island, quartz countertop. I really think it's a great space. Even the unique tile backsplash in the kitchen, it all pulls it together. And like I said, it's funny to be doing these white matte appliances. And as we were thinking about doing it, and our selections coordinator was talking about it, I'm like, I don't know. And I just think it looks great. I think it's really fun, very on trend, and she did a great job with that.
I noticed it right away, and I'm so glad you mentioned what it is, because a lot of people are going to be asking. I haven't seen this yet. They are gorgeous. And then we have over here, what is this, the hearth room? Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's a hearth room. It's a great comfortable area. It flows easily off the kitchen. Friends can be hanging out there. You could have a game on or whatever.
The fact that it is adjacent to the kitchen, it keeps you part of the conversation.
Yep.
And then I see over here you have a laptop here.
Yeah, this is one of those, I think, really important things. How do we live today? What do we need? And people talk about pocket offices or whatever. We're not doing big, large studies as much anymore, but it's a great area. You can come, sit down, pound out some emails, deal with some issues you may need, whether bills or whatever, or if you're just, online, it's right here, still part of the activity, but a separate space.
Yeah, and then just up here is a simple balcony.
Balcony for the grill, maybe a couple of chairs out there, and this one happens to overlook our pocket park in Stafford Place, which I really like. And then on this level, we've got the 2 bedrooms, and master bedroom has the luxury master bath bathroom option, which you'll see what you really like. But it's just a great space. And what I always like in a master bedroom is having an area for the bed, but also having like a little niche sitting area. And you can see we've got a little chaise there, which is nice. Also then nice big walk-in closet, which is important. And then a great master bathroom.
Now you gotta tell me some of the finishes in here because I'm gonna get a lot of questions. Tell me what you put in this master bath.
So the master bathroom, it's a concrete tile look, but it's quarry tile. And there's just some awesome tiles out there. And then we had some fun with the shower, with putting the black on the glass to give it kind of a lattice look, which is neat. And then the herringbone style tile for the shower walls, the big walk-in shower. We tend to do a lot of doorless showers, which we like. It's just kind of keeps the space open, but we can easily put a door on if somebody wanted. The other thing I always like to think about is with mirrors in bathrooms. I like to get taller mirrors. I think it really brings your eye up, and in this case you can see we've got the light fixtures within the mirror, which I think is really nice. As well as we've got a great high window, bringing in some natural light to the bathroom. This is the laundry. It's on the bedroom level, which is really a great spot for it. It's in a house this size to have a nice walk-in laundry with a window is just really a great amenity. We've actually built this house with kind of a 2 master bedroom layout, where this one has its own bathroom, not to the finished level as the master, but we've done it where people want it to that level. And this also, again, has a great walk-in closet. Storage is just so important.
Now let's go up and take a look at that top level. So this is called, what, the 4th level, or is there?
We call it the roof terrace option. And what I think is really neat about this is with this option, you're getting kind of 2 unique spaces. You're obviously getting an awesome outside roof terrace. Really comfortable, a great way to spend the evening. And then inside we have a great seating area and another little pocket office desk area. You know, sometimes you want to just get away a little bit, do some work, or even read a book. What a great spot. And with this, we actually installed a cabinet and a bar fridge. A great place to end the evening. I love this option. And again, in this one, we're showing it with the standard storage area. And the other thing is if they're looking for another area, we had somebody finish this off as a workout room. We've had people finish them off as theater TV areas, and we've had a bunch of people using them for home offices.
And then right out here is the garage. This is a generous sized garage.
And the nice thing in a community like this also, when you think about it, you don't need your lawnmower, you don't need your snow blower. All of that's taken care of, so you got a lot more space.